Hey neighbor, do you have an area of grass where it's difficult to grow grass seed? Maybe it's on a slope, maybe it's around a fence, or maybe no matter what you do, you just can't keep that grass seed to stay. Stick around, I'll show you a cheap trick, what I use in order to help this problem. All right, the process we're talking about here is a form of DIY hydroseeding. And this is a way to help you keep your seeds where you want them and increase your level of success. It's also a perfect thing to do with your kids in order to get them outside, help teach them about the lawn. Okay, so this is a very easy setup. All you're going to need is some shredded paper. Make sure there's no plastic or non-organic materials, a bucket or some type of device to hold this in. You're going to want 3 cups of water, 2 cups of flour. You can use some organic fertilizer if you wish, and of course, your grass seed. Today I'm going to be using Superior brand grass seed I got from my local flea farm. To start, all you want to do is mix your 2 cups of flour in with 3 cups of water, and then throw in your grass seed. You want to put about 2 tablespoons in. We'll just estimate. And then if you want to add in some of that organic fertilizer, just throw it in at this stage too. Then finally you want to add in your paper. Get that consistency that you're going for. And when you're done, it should look like paste-like substance that is not too liquidy, but also not too thick. And then when you're ready to lay it down in those bare areas that you want to seed, just make sure you put it down, by hand at a layer of 1/4 to 1/2 inch thick. Now, if you want a thicker consistency, then just add some more flour. And of course, if you need more, increase your proportions based on the numbers that I gave you in the beginning. So now you know. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and go try it out for yourself.